Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amal bin Halif from UiT Campus SSC UiTM Dengke, Foundation of Engineering. So today I'm going to make a video about basic tutorial for Excel. So first of all, we're gonna open Excel, whether it's pre-downloaded or you can use our website if you want to. So click on it. For me, I'm just gonna use the pre-downloaded because it's easier. It may take a while, but we will get there. So So here we have the open menu. So first of all, we're gonna click on the blank workbook. So you can click it to start your first project. For me, I already make a document. I already make the file for it. So uh, so I'm gonna use it. So we can see there's a names of students and numbers. This number is score for math examination. So at the A1 cell, we're gonna type number. The next one, we're gonna type name. After that, score. Then percentage. Then we type pass or fail. Alright. So you can see that the percentage is out of bound, right? It's out of the cell. So bring your cursor to the D and E. There's a line, right? So you can drag it to increase the width of the cell. So you can see the percentage. Same for the fail and pass. And for the name as well, because the Amiruddin name is too long, right? For number, we want to count how many students in here, right? Maybe 20, maybe 40, we don't know. So we're gonna type 1 here. Type 1. Then in this is a little square box, the bottom corner right of the cell. So you can drag it until until the Arshad cell. So you can see it's copy, right? It's automatically fill the cell. So but we don't want it just tell me 1111, right? We don't know how many. So we can also, what we can do, we can go to this like the icon, the auto fill option, and you click it, you click on the fill series. So you see, you can see that it's automatically fill the from 1 to 30. So there's a 30 student in here. And for the next part, next we're gonna make a table or border. We can add border in here because maybe it's doesn't look pretty or something. So you highlight from A1 to E31, yeah, like that. Then we go to this icon. This is the border icon. You click on the arrow one, and then you're gonna click on the all borders. So there you have it. You have the like a line to make yourself a table. So you want to for so percentage, percentage, right? Percentage is for examination your score divided by 100, right? So what we can do is you type equal sign, and then we're gonna pick the cell here. I'm just gonna do one example. We're gonna pick cell C2, and then we divide it using like the bar, like the slash symbol is for the Excel. The Excel use this symbol to divide numbers, and then you put 100. The C2 divide 100. So when you press enter, you're gonna have the 0.6868. But this is not percentage, right? It's just a decimal number. So what you can do is you go here, and then at the number section, and then you see it, and you see the percentage style. So to format as a percent, so you click it, and then the Excel will automatically change it to percentage. So this say 68%. Yeah. So as is to, yeah, but for the next cell, yeah, you don't want to make it by your by your make it by your own, right? So you can just copy like the number section. You you bring your cursor to the small box here, and then you drag it to D31, and it will fill automatically using the cell that you using the cell before them. So like the D9 is use the C9 divided by 100. So there you have it. This for percentage. For pass and fail, we want to see that if the student is pass or fail. So first you want what first we want to see, like we want to see is the student or fail. Maybe the student fail if the score is under 40, right? So what we can do, double click on it, type equal symbol, and then we're gonna type if tab. For logical test is you you select the range that you want to use, like this, and then so the range, and then you want to make it under 40%. So 40%, right? So value if true, if the value is under below 40%, then the student gonna fail, right? So we just type fail, and the value if false is mean that the percentage is at above 40%. So you're gonna type pass, then close the bracket, then answer. So yeah, right, it say pass here because the student get 68% for, and then we're gonna fill it automatically. Just do it the same as the number and percentage cell. Just drag it the little square here, and then it will automatically fill for you. It just make your life easier. So you want to make this pass fail to be censored right in the cell, so you can just highlight it, and then they go to the alignment section, and then you say center your content, so it will automatically center your value in the cell. So that's for if function. Next we're gonna do how many students that fail and pass, right? So we can do, so I'm gonna show you merge cell. So merge cell is go to the alignment, highlight like 2 or 4 cell like this. I'm gonna use 4 cell like this, and then there's the merge and center icon. So it will automatically merge it into one cell, one big cell. So you can copy it using the little square here. So it will make the identical. So for this, I'm gonna make a border for it. Okay, right? So for this part, we're gonna want to say number of student that we're gonna pass. This means that it's for the pass student and fail student. And for the pass student, you can see that it's below, right? It's not the center of the cell, right? So you can ada alignment. You go to the alignment, and then the middle align. You just click on the middle line. So as you can see, it's at the center of the cell. So make it look pretty, right? Do it the same for the fail and this two, right? Okay. For if you want to count the fail and pass student, you just equal sign, and then you type if count if oops, sorry, let me type again. Count if. So you want to count if is a So we can see the meaning, count the number of cell which raise it. Is it count if or count, count if. So count if, yeah, if. So we just use the count if. The range, we're gonna pick this range like that, from E2 to E31, and then comma, criteria, pass. It means that the student that pass the exam. So you get 18 students. So in this table, you get the student that pass the exam is 18, 18 people, 18 people, 18 student. For the fail student, you just do the same, use the count if, pick the range, the same range as for the pass student, and comma, oops, okay, and then you're gonna type fail for to count how many fail student. Wait, oh, I think there's something wrong here. Let me see. Oh, the range is the range is, I'm using the wrong cell, so go to the E2 to E31, and then you answer. There you have it. 12 students that pass and 12 students that fail the exam, and then 18 students that pass. So that's all from for the last part is how to save your Excel. So what you can do, you can just hold Control S to save it. If the Excel is a brand new file or folder, for for me, it, but I want to show you, right? You go to the file, and then you click on the Save As. Save As is for where you want to put the folder, what to put the Excel, which location you want to pick. So you can browse at a place, or you can use the OneDrive too. For the current folder, so I want to put it on my desktop. So double click on it, desktop, and then there's wait a minute, wait, and then there's the file name, right? For so you want to like students score, students score. You can name whatever you want. Just it's just put the so you get confused. So I put my file name student score, and then it will, and then you click save. So there you have it. Now you're done. Now you're done. So if we close this, because it's already automatic save, at your desktop they're gonna be a student score right here. So you can make a progress in here. Just double click on it and open, and you can do what you want. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video. So I hope this information is I hope this information is helpful for you. So that's all for me. Thank you.